Hi there, I'm Valerie Hall-Little from Built to Soar, and I want to let you in on a little secret about me. I used to be a professional organizer for about a couple of days. But I gained so much information on how to organize your business documents when I was going through my training to be an organizer. And I want to share this with you. I take my clients through this all the time, and honestly, it just changes their life. They love having all their files and documents organized so they know where to find things. And I want to share my organizing structure with you so that you can also dive into the back end of your business and get things organized so you feel really calm and you don't waste any more time trying to find things. So I divide filing into 5 different areas. I'm going to take you through each of those 5 areas, but I also want to tell you about something called mirroring. And it's the magic of mirroring that will make your life so simple. So mirroring means you develop one organizing structure and then you mirror it in different areas of your business. So what we're going to do is we'll create a structure, and then you can use that filing structure for your digital documents, for your bookmarks, for your paper files, and where else could you use it? For your, if you have a digital notebook. Anywhere that you're organizing things, you can mirror this structure. All right, so ready? Let's go. The first area is your admin. So this is your admin folder, and this is where all the back-end documents live. So these could be things like any legal documents, insurance documents, any your digital letterhead, those kind of things will live in the admin. The second area is your sales and marketing. And things that live here are any packages that you may have put together that you sometimes send out to clients, your newsletter copy, any stock photography, anything that has to do with the sales and marketing arm. Number 3 is your service delivery. Some people like to call this clients or projects. Again, this has anything to do with how you service your clients. So it could be your client folders are in there, could be any tools or templates that you use when you're taking your clients through and delivering your product or your service to them. So this is where that kind of information lives. Number 4 is money or finances. Again, whatever you want to call it, but it's the money end of your business. Things that live here would be any invoices that you're filing, or your tax documents, your bank statements, credit card statements, those sorts of things that if you were ever to be audited or you need to have copies of that, that's where they live. And last but not least is your team folder. So team could also be called HR. It has anything to do with the people that help you run your business. And it's also you, because if you're a solopreneur, you are on your team. So things that live in the team area are vendor rate sheets, your organizational chart, or if you're taking any courses on self-improvement or you're being coached, those sorts of things would live in the team folder. So now you know what those 5 pillars are, those 5 folders in your business are: your admin, sales and marketing, service delivery, money, and team. And mirror those 5 areas in all areas of your business. So now your brain only has to think one way when it tries to find anything in your business. That is your next step to designing your business and organizing your business so it's built to soar. Thanks for watching. See you next time.